So for this question, I find the range of values for which the line cuts the curve at two distinct points. So you know that basically cutting at two distinct points means that your discriminant is more than 0. So from the two equations, right? Okay, you have the first equation. It's 2y plus x equals to k bracket 1 minus 2x, right? That's equation 1. Second equation is y equals to x squared minus 2x plus k, right? That's equation 2. Now looking at this two, I mean most people want to sub the make y the subject and then sub the linear to the quadratic. So actually another way is I think you all can consider subbing the quadratic into the linear. So basically just take y and replace it here. Just take y and replace it. So you replace or you sub 2 into 1, right? What you're gonna get is you're gonna get 2 of x squared minus 2x plus k, right? This is the sub that we're looking at. This is the substitute, right, which is from here. So basically summing this, okay, and minus 2x plus no, what am I doing? Sorry, okay, plus x, okay, equals to k bracket 1 minus 2x, okay. So from this portion you can just go on and equate, just simplify your equation. You are supposed to get something like that, 2x squared plus 2k minus 3x. So again, you need to collect your a, b and c lah. You need to recognize what is the a, what is the b, and what is the c. You need to pull out the a, b and c, okay. And from here, b squared minus 4 ac, okay, because it's a discriminant, right? You know there is two distinct points, so there are two solutions and discriminant is greater than 0. All right, just open this up. You have 4k squared minus 12k plus 9 minus 8k, okay, greater than 0. So you have a total of 4k squared minus 20k plus 9 greater than 0. This will give you a total, I mean, you can just factorize it. This is 2k minus 1, 2k minus 9 greater than 0. K is less than half, or k is more than 4.5. Okay, so remember I told you must draw the inequality, must draw the graph. That's half, that's 4.5, and you want this part and this part. Okay, can this is for question part 1.